here? Well, our swap dealer's high here was about $1.90, right? So when the swap dealer's high is $1.90 and the swap dealer's high here was what? $1.80. So that's 10 cents difference. Well, if that's 10 cents difference against this price level here at 73.60, we know that that should be at least 30 cents lower. So 73.30 should be at least the valuation on this, right? So we're probably going to be trading about at least 73.30. And what we did say was we would expect it to go up to 5 times the difference. So a 50 tick lower price. So between that price and 73.10s would be expected at that stage, wouldn't it? Now, obviously, when the value drops, the difference drops as well. But that's how much value you've got in here. Now, not on this candle, of course. On this candle, the value isn't as good, of course. But on this candle, it reestablishes all that sell side value, and the drop's been brutal. Absolutely brutal. So well done anybody that jumped at 25s. And that's a nice bit of business there, a nice bit of sell side business, running VWAP sell side down, back down towards that gamma scalp level at the bottom edges here. Now, oil, guys, in 20 minutes for the oil.